In today's comparison series, we are talking about construction. Now, these three ovens, the Ooni Karu 60, Gozney Dome, and Maestro 60, are very, very differently constructed. Let's start off with the lightest of the three, made in China, is our Ooni. And Ooni is several metal panels that are then screwed and riveted together. That is right, I said riveted together. Rivets are not known to be able to experience incredibly high temperatures and for extended periods of time and to be able to hold up. So do be careful. They do use, like I said, galvanized screws to be able to hold on some components like the powder-coated shell. It does have a couple of screws that are used as hangers for various components like the burner and the ash receptacle. The chimney and damper, there's no chimney cap, are stainless. They lock into place. The damper handle is incredibly close to the chimney. It gets super, super hot. Please, please be careful. In this video, it almost caught this piece of paper on fire. Gozney instead is very well constructed. The exterior is powder coated. It has ceramic on the inside. Then it has the stainless dome that is then also riveted and screwed together. Compare that to the Maestro 60, which in very Fontana fashion has geometric bends and welded together. We have our proprietary heat shield to guarantee the longevity, insulated completely and totally in every direction. This is an oven that is made to last.